Hello my trendy mates, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here then welcome to my channel. I am Bonani and you are watching me on The Trend Enthusiast. So as you can already understand, I am very excited today because today I am going to share my affordable makeup brush collection. So all the brushes that I have actually collected them throughout several years, and this is not a one-time investment. So if you are a beginner and you want to invest, then these are the very affordable option to invest on, and you can do this in a similar manner as I did. If you want to know my brush collection and if you want to know the prices, then please keep on watching till the end. Now let's start with the video. My first ever eye brush collection was this, and this was from Club Factory.
So I got this 4 brushes in this one, and this is very soft, very blendable, and the bristles doesn't come out. This is the pencil brush to shape the inner corner and the outer corner eyeshadow. Then this is the blending brush, obviously to blend out the edges so that there is no harsh line. And then I got another blending brush, but this is a angled blending brush to blend out the outer corner and the inner corner of my eyes precisely. After that, there is this super fluffy blending brush for any other area of your eye. So yes, this is a beginner friendly one which is cheap and affordable.
Then I got these small brushes. This is a eyeliner brush from Ocean.
And this is how it looks from the front.
This is a lip filler brush from Babila, and I got all these from Nykaa.
Yes, this is also very helpful.
Then this is a spoolie that I got of Filon. This is also from Nykaa.
This can be used to evenly distribute out the brow product for daily use.
Again, this is a eye smudger brush of Vega, and again this I got from Nykaa.
This is very convenient for smoky eye for the beginners to smudge out the lash line.
So obviously again I am saying the same thing. I'll link all this brush set in the description box below, and the prices will be somewhere in the screen so you can follow it. I really don't remember any of the prices because I bought these long ago. So I really don't remember. Next I got these brushes again from Club Factory.
So this is a very nice brush to blend out the foundation. This is a very normal blush brush which can be used. And this is one of the kabuki brush which can be used both for foundation or for contouring or even for blush.
Then this one, I got this one very recently in my purple haul. I have already uploaded my purple haul video on my channel, and it will be somewhere here given, or here it will be given. So check that I button out and you will get to see my purple haul video, and it was really fun one, so do watch that. One more thing before I get into the other brushes, that I upload videos every Tuesday and Saturday. So if you want to stay updated with my uploads, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Okay, now I am left with all my favorite brushes. So first this one. You have seen this in all my videos, almost in all my videos, and if you haven't watched any of my videos till now, then it is given up somewhere. It is given up somewhere. Please check it out. You press on that I button and you get to see all my videos. So do that. So this is my favorite powder brush that I got from Amazon. This is lovely. This is so soft. This is like my baby. I love this one. I just love this one. This is so soft. This is so cute. This is so blendable. This is so fluffy. I just can't stop talking about this. So I will again mention this on my description box, so you can get this. This is very cute and very lovely one to have. Then I have isn't this very beautiful? This looks so gorgeous and it looks as if this is very costly, but I tell you, I got this at a very affordable price.
So these brushes are a little bit on the pricey side, but again this is soft, blendable, and the bristles doesn't come out, which is a plus point always. First is a angled brush, very precise one, so that we can draw the outer edges of our eye very precisely and very well to shape the outer edges of our eye. Then this is a small sized blending brush for our regular blending purpose. After that is the pencil brush, which is very useful for smudging out the upper lash line, lower lash line, or even to shape our outer edges properly. Then is this a basic bronzer brush, which is a bit tapered and a flat one. This is a smaller version of the previous bronzer brush, very useful for cream contouring. And this again can be used for bronzing or for other purposes. I sometimes use this even for my highlighting purpose because it is very fluffy and soft and can be used anyway. This helps in blending my makeup very well. All these brushes are very good and are very blendable. And this is the blush brush, which is again very fluffy and blendable.
Then I have these are very hyped. You have obviously seen this in some or the other videos.
This one is a very affordable set from Amazon at a very cheap rate. You all can get this one at least. And this also has a pencil brush like all the other sets. Then it has this flat topped brush which you can use in any way, and this is an angled brush which we can use in several ways. This one I preferably use for concealing and cleaning around my eyebrows. And again, this is a brush which we can use in any way we want to use it. This is used for foundation, for blush, for powdering, or any way we want to use it. This is a very cute powder brush, can be also used for bronzing and contouring. This is again a powder brush or a blush brush, and this is our favorite Kabuki foundation brush. Again, this is an angled fluffy brush, can be used anyway.
I have got this Wet n Wild foundation brush.
This foundation brush helps to achieve that full coverage look and also to get a seamless finish in our base makeup.
Then I got this lovely brush set. This is totally eye brush set, and this comes in this cute little bag, which is not at all of good quality. Obviously, you are getting it in such an affordable price. How can you expect to be in a good quality?
This is the best one till now. Very affordable, very fluffy, very blendable, and the bristles does not come out. So we get 4 blending brushes of 4 sizes. This is the smallest one. This is the second smallest one. Then the other one is the medium sized one. And the last one is super fluffy blending brush, which I prefer using for blending my concealer under the eyes. This is a flat yet fluffy blending brush. Another flat shaped brush can be used any way. All these brushes can be used any way we want to use it. This can be again used for the inner corners, and this is a very thin eyeliner brush. After that, these are 2 flat shaped shader brush. This is a round shaped one which can be again used for concealing, and the other I prefer using this for concealing around my eyebrows. This one is very important one to have because you can pack your eyeshadow on your lid using that one. And this is again an angled
All
brush.
these brushes I have collected over several years, not even 1 year. I have collected this entire collection over several years. So this is just my recommendation. You can buy any one set if you want, or two set, and you can gradually grow your collection and not at all together. I would never suggest you that. So these are just my suggestions, and if you like any of these, you can buy it. Again, the same thing, links are there in my description box. Anyways, this was my collection all together. I hope you like this video, and I have come to an end of my video. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, because I will keep on posting lovely videos for you all. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press that bell icon because that is very important. Otherwise you won't get notified even if I upload videos. And yes, I upload videos every Tuesday and Saturday. So stay tuned, and I will meet you again on my next video. And till then, take care and bye bye.